Oke ya, pasti yang salah, but that's how to open our class.
Ini udah.
Ya, that every time I will share ice breaking for Zoom session because when you're teaching, sometimes you need how to use ice breaking in the class. Okay. Now it's time for us to listen partners who is going to give a presentation on the dialogue, and of course I'm going to give some comments about the dialogue that you are making. Are you ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
When some other participants are
Inshallah.
giving a dialogue, you better unmute. I will also unmute mine. And now the first one will be the first one. Okay. If I say Ibu Neni Andriani, who is your partner, Ibu Neni?
Miss Nova.
Okay. Ibu Neni plus Miss Nova. Come on, please. We are listening.
The other participants, please mute the mic.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Rezeki. Okay. Hi Nova, how are you?
Alhamdulillah. Good news, my friend.
With today, teaching schedule is full.
Oh no, today there are many special teachers.
May I ask for help?
What?
I want to check for pregnancy. Already had a doctor appointment, and in the nurse tutor will give a birth.
Oh, of course. I will impress you, teach.
Thank you, dear.
You are welcome.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Be careful on the way, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
You are welcome. Thank you.
That's all.
Miss
Okay, Miss
Rezeki.
Iva.
Miss Rezeki mute.
Miss Rezeki di mute.
Oh.
Masih mute.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Ibu Nova said there are many special teachers with S. When you say many teachers, not you say many teachers. No, it must be many teachers. Yeah, many teachers. Okay, thank you. Next, Ibu.
Our group.
All right, your group, please. Who is your partner?
Aji.
Yes. Mr. Ridwan, Mr. Yusuf, are you ready?
Oh, bertiga ya, 3 of you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Yusuf, are you ready? Mr. Yusuf kan ada suara.
I am ready.
Yes, good. All right. We begin.
All right.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hi, Mr. Ridwan and Mr. Yusuf. How are you today?
Yeah, Mr. Haji, I'm fine.
I am fine.
Oh, yes. Can you help me?
Yeah, Mr. Haji, what can I do for you?
What can I do for you, Mister?
Okay. Do you teach at 9 o'clock, Mr. Ridwan?
Oh, no. How about you, Mr. Yusuf?
I'm sorry, I'm teaching in that time.
Oh, okay, Mr. Yusuf. How about you, Haji? What can I do for you?
Can you teach in my class, Mr. Ridwan?
Oh, okay, inshallah, Mr. Haji.
What happened with you, Mr. Haji?
My daughter is sick and must bring her to the hospital. And then I have to go home early.
Oh, okay, Mr. Haji. Get well soon for your doctor, yeah?
Get well soon.
Amin. Thank you, Mr. Ridwan and Mr. Yusuf. See you next time.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, when Mr. Aziz say, do you have a class at 9? Do you have a class at 9? Itu ya, tadi kan do you teach at 9? You can say, karena kita mau minta tolong, boleh tanya, do you have a class at 9? What will you do? Oh, I need your help. I need your help to replace my class or to substitute my class. Jadi,
Yes.
Do you have a class at 9? I need your help. Yeah, because
Okay.
my daughter is sick. I am going to accompany her. Bukan to bring her, but it's better for you to accompany her
To
to
accompany.
see the doctor. Or I'm going to accompany my daughter to see the doctor, to accompany her. Yeah, thank you. That's about your dialogue. Thank you, Mr. Aji, Mr. Ridwan, and Mr. Yusuf. Next.
You're welcome.
Bu
Miss
Dwi,
Aji.
Miss Bu Dwi,
Okay,
and Miss
Miss Dwi, please.
Bu Dwi and I.
Yeah,
Miss
okay.
Lily.
Okay, Miss Dwi.
Mulai ya,
mulai ya,
Ya,
Miss.
Bu Dwi, ya Bu Dwi mulai.
Oke.
Oke.
Assalamualaikum, Bu Ning. I'm sorry, I have to go home early today.
Waalaikumsalam. Yes, Miss Dwi. What's going on?
My husband just called me. My youngest son got fever.
Astagfirullah. Yes, then. I hope everything will be okay.
But I still have to teach at last session in your class. Do you mind substituting me, Bu Ning?
Never mind. I have no schedule to teach at last session today.
Okay, great. Can I entrust you to give mathematics tasks to the students?
Yes, of course. You can give me the worksheet now.
Thank you so much, Bu Ning.
You are welcome. I wish Yaksdan get well soon, Miss Dwi.
Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Amin. Thank you.
Okay, thank you ya. I wish you get well soon. Okay, thank you. Tadi ada kata baru buat semuanya ini ya. Do you mind? Do you mind? Itu adalah ketika kita minta seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu dan gunakan ing setelah do you mind. Misalnya, mau nggak ke rumah saya? Do you mind coming to my house? Do you mind coming to my house? Mau nggak gantiin kelas saya? Do you mind substituting my class? Jadi, do you mind use ing? Do you mind? Oke, tadi udah benar menggunakan do you mind. Ing. Thank you, Bu Dwi and Bu Nining. Next.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Bu Yan, Miss Asti, Bu Yan, and Bu Rida.
Okay.
Bu Rida. Can we start, Bu Rida?
Ya, Miss.
Okay. Can we start?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Hi, Miss Rida. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam, Miss Yan.
Miss Rida, would you mind to help me?
Sure. How can I help you?
My daughter is sick and I need to go home early.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. So, what can I do for you?
Would you mind to replace me in teaching my class
Sure. What time will be your next class?
at 9 until 10 a.m.?
Great. I will be available on that time. I hope that your doctor get better soon.
Thank you so much for your help, Miss Rida.
You're welcome, Miss Yan.
That's
Okay.
all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ya, thank you very much. Tadi ngomong greet. Nah, bukan greet. Kalau greet itu
Great.
great. Tapi
Great.
great.
Oh,
Great. Ya, oke, great, not greet. Ya. Kemudian tadi, would you mind ing? Would you mind helping me? Would you mind helping me? Kalau pakai to boleh, tapi diganti do you like atau would you like to help me? Would you like to help me? Do you mind helping me? Dua-duanya boleh dipakai, cuma penggunaannya adalah do you mind atau would you mind helping me? Would you like to help me? Would you like to? Would you mind ing? Ya, would you mind helping me? Would you like to help me? Gitu, ya. Oke, thank you Bu Yan and Bu Rida. Next, please. Miss Riza ya. Your partner Miss Riza.
I'm sorry, Miss. Baru sampai ini.
Oh, baru sampai. Ya udah, yang lain dulu. Silakan. Next.
Can I?
Ya, okay, please. Who is your partner?
Tiwi and Bu Asia.
Okay, please.
Bu Asia, where are you? Because she will be the first to say salam and then
Okay.
after that me. Okay.
Ready. ready again. Tadi mute. Oke. Assalamualaikum Miss Tiwi.
Waalaikumsalam Bu Asia.
Excuse me, Miss Tiwi.
Okay.
Could I possible leave a little early today?
Today?
Yeah, I have a kind of emergency at home. My mother is sick.
Oh no, what a pain.
Yeah, my sister just called. I have to take my mother to the doctor.
Of course, I understand. I hope she will get better.
Can you replace me to teach at 10:30 o'clock in grade 5? The subject is Bahasa Indonesia at the material about advertising language.
Okay, at 10:30. Let me look at my agenda first, okay? At 10:30. Okay, I think I'm free in the time. Okay, I will replace you. Learning about advertising language?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss Tiwi.
Okay, Miss Asia, I pray that your mother getting better soon.
Amin.
Amin.
Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum, Miss Tiwi.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, thank you. You mentioned tadi Ibu Asia bilang at 10:30 o'clock. No, cukup kalau jam 10.30, 10:30. Tidak usah ada tambahan o'clock. Menggunakan o'clock, if you say 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, but you just say 10:15, 10:30, 10:25. You don't need to
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Asti.
Okay, thank you. Next, please. Who else? Siapa lagi? Who else?
Who else ready?
Okay.
Bu Fatima.
Please.
Miss Muti. Miss Muti.
Okay, Miss.
We will try ya, Miss. Lisa. Assalamualaikum, Miss Muti. Can you help me?
Waalaikumsalam, Miss Fatima. What can I help you?
I will leave early from school. So, do you can discuss my teach in my class?
Why do you leave early?
I leave early because I feel my body sick. And I have also promised to our principal to leave early.
Okay, Miss Fatima, I will replace your teach and I hope you get well soon.
Amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Thank you so much, Miss Muti, for your help to me. Assalamualaikum.
You're welcome, Miss Fatima. Waalaikumsalam. Be careful. Bye.
Ya. Kalau di saya suara Miss Fatimah tadi Siti Fatimah kurang jelas. Maybe sinyal ya, maybe it's not.
The connection is not very good.
Yeah, the voice cannot hear clearly by me. And Miss Mutia, can you repeat again for sentence kalimat terakhir? Get soon tadi harusnya kan get better soon. Yang semoga cepat sembuh. Coba diulangi.
I hope you get well soon.
Nah, I hope you will get better soon. Ya, I hope you will get better soon. Kalau kita ada orang sakit, semoga cepat sembuh. I hope you will get better soon. Jadi yang tadi kurang sedikit ya. I hope you will get better soon. I hope
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Better soon. Okay, thank you. Next, Bu Badriah, please. Who is your partner?
Bu Badriah.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah.
Miss Ri. Where is Miss Kiki? Are you ready?
Miss Kiki, please. Miss Barbie is waiting for you.
Yes, I want.
My lovely Barbie.
I will to learn English with Miss Kiki. Maybe every day.
Okay, Miss Kiki, please. Yeah.
Sure, my
Miss
pleasure.
Kiki, are you ready?
Yes, of course. Let's go.
Okay, Assalamualaikum, Miss Kiki. Good morning.
Waalaikumsalam, Bu Badriah. Good morning.
Sorry, Miss, but you look terrible today. What happened?
Yes, Bu. I feel bad because my cat is sick.
Ya Allah, what's wrong?
Last time he fought with other cat. By the way, may I ask your help to conduct the class today? I think I want to bring him to the veterinarian.
Sure. What subject are you going to have?
I will have mathematics.
Okay, let me help you. But please prepare the lesson plan first, so I'll know about the material.
I've made it, Bu. Here they are.
Good, you may leave now.
Thank you so much for helping me.
My pleasure. Thank you. Bye-bye, Miss Kiki. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oke, kayaknya suara saya lebay bener deh kalau ngomong bahasa Inggris ya, Miss.
Tadi grammarnya oke, Bu Badria, grammarnya bagus.
Just like, grammarnya bagus ya begitu, Miss, adanya Betawi grammarnya.
Enggak, grammarnya oke, tapi grammarnya that's okay.
Yes, grammar. Siapa dulu gurunya? Miss Kiki.
Yeah, grammar
is my teacher.
Problem. Grammar okay. Yeah. Thank you, Bu Badria and Miss Kiki. Thank you very much. Next, please. Who is next? Ibu Salma, do you have partner?
Oh, Shifa, what about you, Miss Shifa?
Okay.
Okay, I will be your partner. But we didn't practice.
Yeah, that's okay. No problem at all.
You don't even need it, Miss Salma.
Oh, yeah.
Directly.
Still need it, I think.
The sample.
Expert.
Expert. Yeah. You're going
I
to
don't think
give the
so.
sample
I'm not-
for us.
We all learners.
Yeah, we are learners and we are going to learn from you. Come on, please.
Sorry, nih. Hi, Miss Shifa.
Hi, Miss Salma.
Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm going to do you a favor today.
What happened?
Oh, I'm sorry to say that my daughter just called me that at home there is a guest from West Sumatra that wants to meet me soon.
Oh, so what can I do for you?
Yeah, actually, I got the class on to Makkah on 10 o'clock at 10 o'clock this after the break, and then the material is
Okay.
about greetings. Are you ready to replace my class?
At 10 o'clock today?
Yes.
I think I can. Yes, I'm free on that time. So they will learn about what once again?
Greeting.
Greetings.
Yes.
Okay. I'll do
Okay,
it for
thank you so much, Musifa. It is maybe after I'll come back to school as soon as I can. Thank you very much for your help. See you. Bye bye, Musifa.
My pleasure. See you. Good luck with your guests.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Good example. Yeah. That is good example. Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
All right. Next. I will call.
Who's next?
Who's next?
Yang
Zainab hasn't got the turn yet. Zainab, who is your partner?
Atika.
Yes.
Yes.
Zainab. Miss Zainab, who is your partner?
Zainab.
Miss Lilis, Miss.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
please. Come on.
Miss Lilis.
Lilis. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Miss Asti.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum. Excuse me, Miss Jenna.
Waalaikumsalam, Miss Lilis. What can I do for you?
Could I possibly leave a little early today?
Today?
Yes. I have a kind of emergency school my children. Their school carries out the distribution of reports.
Oh, it's important.
Of course, it must be take it. I hope their score.
Of course, I hope so.
Would you change me to teach children today?
Yes, of course, I will do.
Thank you, Miss
You're
Jenna.
welcome, Miss Lilis.
Oh, ya. Thank you. Untuk yang setengah ke belakang, very clear. Tapi yang awal ke tengah, not very clear. Karena tadi ada suara-suara yang bising. So, would you please special for you? Can you repeat again from the beginning to the end? Repeat, please, ya.
Okay, Miss Lilis.
Yes. Oke, ulangi.
Yang mana ya? Yang would
Dari
you
awal.
ya?
Dari awal, Bu,
From
dari
the
awal.
beginning.
Awal.
From the beginning till the end. Repeat, please.
Oh. Assalamualaikum. Excuse me, Miss Jenna.
Waalaikumsalam, Miss Lilis. What can I do for you?
Could I possibly leave a little early today?
Today?
Yes. I have a kind of emergency at school. My children, their school carries out the distribution of rapot.
Oh, it's important. Miss Lilis?
Jenna, Bu Jenna.
Yes. It's important.
Of course. It must be take it. I hope their score is good.
Of course, I hope so.
Miss Jenna.
Miss Lilis?
Would you to charge me to teach children today?
Yes, of course, I will do.
Thank you, Miss
You're welcome,
Jenna.
Miss Lilis.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Some pronunciation are needed to be repeat ya. Jadi ada yang harusnya koma, titik tadi yang harusnya I will do, titik ya. Okay. And then nadanya agak lebih dipercepat ya. What can I do for you? Coba. Jadi bukan what can I do for you? Tapi agak dipercepat. What can I do for you? Nah, coba nggak apa-apa. What can I do for you? Coba nggak apa-apa. We are learning English, no problem. Ulang. What can I do for you? Silakan.
What can I do for you?
Ah, mending daripada yang tadi terlalu pelan ya. What can I do for you?
What can I do for you?
Ya, what can I do for you? Ya. Nah, tadi kalau mau harus ngambil report atau buku lapor, I must take my children's report book. Ya, I must take my children report book. It's important. Nah, terus tadi I have a program in my children's school. Ya, tadi ada masalah di in my children's school. But so far, thank you sudah 2 kali ya.
You're welcome.
Sudah 2 kali. Then my comment is apa ya? Kalau nyanyi dangdut cengkoknya dibenerin gitu ya. Nah, cengkoknya lah kalau dibenerin ya. Intonation, pronunciation, etc. Intonation and pronunciation. Oke, jadi gaya bacanya dikurangi seolah-olah it's really talking, ya, it's really talking. You are not reading, but you are talking.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Good. Good. Thank you. Silakan. Next, masih ada lagi? Siapa yang belum?
Bu itu Rubiati and Bu Anmi.
Bu Rubiati.
Macet.
Oh iya, Bu Ani juga belum.
Ya, oke, please Bu Rubiati.
Who wants to go first?
Yes.
Assalamualaikum Miss Ami.
Waalaikumsalam.
Iya, saya mau ngomong sama Miss Bu Ami, mana Bu Ami?
Udah mau mulai.
Bu Ami.
Bu Ani, are you here Bu Ani? Bu Ruby is ready.
Yes, iya.
Ya, itu dia.
Oke.
Ayo Bu Ruby.
Oke. Yes. Assalamualaikum Miss Ami.
Waalaikumsalam Miss Ruby.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm okay. And how about you?
I'm okay too. Can you help me, Miss Ami?
Yes. What can I do for you, Miss Ruby?
I must go home early to now.
No? What happened, Miss Ruby?
My father sick. I will go to the hospital. Can you replace me teach at 6 Arafah?
Yes, I can. So what subject?
Today is about synonym and antonym.
Okay. Inshallah, I will be teach at 6 Arafah about synonym and antonym.
Thank you, Miss Ani.
You are welcome, Miss Ruby. Take care, and I hope your father get well soon.
Amin. Thank you. Goodbye.
You are welcome. Bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Thank you very much. My father sick. Kurang apa ayo?
Apa ya?
My father
Is.
is. Yeah.
is.
My father is sick.
Oh,
He
is
happy.
6. Oh.
You are sick. Yeah, I am sick. Jadi nggak bisa. My father sick.
My
Can you
father
help
is
me
sick.
teach? Can you help me teach? Kurang apa coba? Can you help me teach? Kurang apa?
Can you replace me teach at
Can you help me to teach?
to teach? Oh.
Can you help me to teach? Can you help me to teach in class Madinah? Can you help me to replace me? Can you help me to teach my
To
class?
teach.
Nah, kurang tuh
Okay.
jadi.
Okay.
Terus tadi, okay, I will be teach. No, but you have to say I will teach. Bukan I will be teach, but I will teach. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're
Ada
welcome.
lagi ya? One more, satu lagi ya.
Me and Miss Annie.
Okay, please, come on.
Yeah. Can you hear my voice, please?
Yes?
Can. Okay, so clear.
Assalamualaikum. Excuse me, Miss Annie. Are you busy today?
Waalaikumsalam. No, I'm busy. What happened with you? What can I do for you?
I'm sorry, Miss Annie. I need to go to the clinic today because my doctor have to get vaccine. Can you help me Can you help to replace me teaching mathematics today?
Yes, sure. May your doctor stay healthy after that. What time do you want to go?
I want to go now.
Okay. Do the student have text to be collected today?
Yes, they are doing the test as chapter 2, page 15 until 17.
Okay, I see. Take care.
Thank you, Miss Annie.
Thank you.
Yes. Oke, thank you. Dan ini adalah contoh suara yang jelas. I can hear clearly and it's good example. You are the last, but I need you to...
There is still one more, sorry, Miss Asti.
Oh ya, masih ada ya. Oke, tapi coba yang ini tolong diulangi sebagai contoh bahwa ini bagus. Very clear voice, understandable, and kalimatnya tertata dan sebagainya. Coba diulangi. Would you please repeat?
One more time.
Yeah, one more time. Good, okay.
Assalamualaikum. Excuse me, Miss Annie. Are you busy today?
Waalaikumsalam. No, I am not busy. What happened with you, miss? What can I do for you?
I'm sorry, Miss Annie. I need to go to the clinic today because my doctor have to go vaccine. Can you help me to replace me teaching mathematics today?
Yeah, sure. May your doctor stay healthy after that. What time do you want to go?
I want to go now.
Okay. Do the student have text to be collected today?
Yes, they are doing the test at chapter 2, page 15 until 17.
Oh, I see. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Annie.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Ya. Oke. Ya, itu adalah contoh bagus, jelas, clear. The voice is clear. Kesalahannya hanya satu tadi, my daughter has to, ya, bukan have to, because my daughter is only one, singular, maka my daughter has to, tidak
Has ya, Miss.
has to.
Okay,
Tadi
thank you.
ya.
Have.
Tidak has to. karena only one, ya.
Okay, thank you,
Plus
Miss.
it's clear, very clear voice. Makanya saya suruh ulang contoh. Kalau bisa yang lainnya juga a very clear voice like this. Ya, next, please.
Yeah, please, Bu Anis and Bu Atika.
Okay, Bu Atika, please.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Yes.
Ada Bu Tika? Where are you?
Tika, are you here? Yeah.
Ya. Ya, assalamualaikum Bu Tika.
Waalaikumsalam Bu Anis.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine.
Miss, if today I leave work early.
Okay, Miss. Why?
Today I want to go my child's sunrise. Today is my visit schedule.
Oh, well, what kind of task that I can help with?
Just continue the thematic, listen, and tahsin, Miss.
All right, Bu Anis.
Thank you, Miss Tika.
You're welcome.
Makasih.
Ya.
Mau diketawain ya?
Ya. Saya ingin pulang lebih cepat. I want to go home earlier. Jadi earlier ngomongnya. I want to go home earlier. Ya.
Early.
Coba.
Earlier.
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 Ya, earlier.
Ini sudah coba dari tadi nggak bisa-bisa.
Sekarang coba ya. Sekarang dicoba di earlier. 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 Coba.
Liar, jadinya liar.
Ah, liar jadinya. Earlier. Liar.
Jadinya liar.
Earlier.
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 Coba aja, Bu.
Makan roti dulu. Earlier.
Makan keju. Earlier.
Nah,
Miller jadinya air liur.
itu tadi adalah we are learning about grammar. We are learning about grammar. Sometimes we have also to be able to speak. Nah, dalam grammar itu sekarang kita harus terapkan dalam percakapan atau dalam diskusi. Grammar yang tadi kita pelajari, sekarang kita akan terapkan dalam diskusi. Our discussion today is about culture differences. Culture differences, artinya apa? Culture differences.
Perbedaan
budaya.
budaya.
Okay. You know, when we learned English, we are not only learning how to study grammar or how to study vocab or pronunciation, but sometimes we have to learn about culture differences. So whenever you meet any foreign people from foreign countries, or when foreign people come to your school, you will never have some culture shock. So when you are learning culture, means we are sharing our culture, Indonesian culture, and foreign people are going to share their culture. Okay, now we are still using present tense to talk about culture. Culture differences between our beloved land, Indonesia, and culture in the world. So we are going to discuss about culture from America, from India, about Arab culture, Japanese people, Chinese people, etc. We are going to learn culture differences. And when we talk about culture differences, we are using present tense. For example, like this. I say in Indonesia, and you have to say in English. Orang Indonesia biasanya sarapannya nasi uduk, tapi orang Amerika biasanya sarapannya roti. Kan present tense ngomongnya, ada biasanya. Orang Indonesia biasanya sarapannya nasi uduk. Orang
Indonesian
Amerika
people.
biasanya sarapannya roti. Silakan.
Indonesian people
usually
have
breakfast for their
people
breakfast.
But
American
have
breakfast.
And American people usually have breakfast bread.
Oke, dibalik. Bukan breakfast bread, tapi dibalik.
breakfast.
Indonesian people.
Breakfast. Oh, okay.
Indonesian people usually eat rice for breakfast, but American people usually eat some bread for breakfast.
Oh, some.
The Indonesian people, we will say that I haven't eaten breakfast if we only eat bubur kacang hijau or bread or what, before we eat nasi, we will say,
Yes.
pokoknya belum ketemu nasi, belum sarapan. Okay, that is one of example. Saya beri contoh 3. Nanti kita diskusi. You have to find one person, one example. Another example. You know that Indonesian people, when they eat noodle, usually they use
Noodle.
fork. When they eat noodle, they use fork. But Chinese people, so now Indonesian and Chinese people usually eat noodle with chopstick. Yeah, this is called chopstick. Apa
Chopstick. Sumpit.
Chopstick. Sumpit.
Chopstick.
Oke. Chopstick. Nah, saya udah beri 2 contoh. Sekarang semuanya berpendapat. Please tell me the difference between Indonesian culture and foreign culture in the world. Not only about
the
food.
breakfast only, Miss?
Yes?
Breakfast only?
No,
or
everything. It
everything?
can be about behavior of people. It can be about clothes. It can be about anything that is related with culture. Yeah. For
Okay,
example.
excuse me, Miss. Miss
Yes?
Alma, Miss. Excuse me. This is about what we call. We don't need actually to say Indonesian people. We can say just Indonesian or Indonesians. Yeah. Is it
Okay.
right? Yes.
Right. That's okay. So you have to know the difference between Indonesia and Indonesian.
Yes.
Indonesia is a country. Indonesia can be used for Indonesian people, Indonesian culture, Indonesian flag, Indonesian food, Indonesian dance, Indonesian song, etc. Yeah, but if you want to say Indonesian, it's okay. So please find some differences between Indonesian and other countries in the world. Yeah, it can be India, not only about food. For example, again, you know, Indonesian people usually cry when somebody's died, but Indian, they dance when somebody died. Yeah, based on the film I see, based on the films you watch, maybe. Okay, now.
Can I try?
Yes, okay, please try.
Okay. Indonesian people usually visit the relative of the family after Idul Fitri, but at Arab or Arabic people do not do that.
Mudik.
Maybe.
So they just stay at home or what?
Yes, it is only just Salat Eid and then go to their home.
Yeah, okay.
That I know.
Yeah, so when we learn something different, so we are learning something that make people shocked to see our culture. You know, I visited to the Indonesian wedding, and at the time I went to the wedding with my friend from America, and my American friends were shocked to see Indonesian wedding. Why? Because American people think, wow, Indonesian wedding is so different with American. Because they invited many people, 1,000 people attended to the wedding. But in America,
Yes.
no. They just invite 10 people, it's okay for the wedding. Yeah. So learning different culture means something that make them shocked. Yeah. Okay, thank you for your opinion about Idul Fitri Day. Next, come on, please.
Okay, I will try, Miss Asti.
Okay, please, Ibu Retno.
Yes, Indonesian people usually go to work by drive a car or motorcycle, but Singapore people usually go to work by public transportation.
Yes, you were right. Yeah, I went to Singapore and I saw many people were on the bus and they were walking. People who goes by car are only those who are very rich. And sometimes they just go by bicycle and they just go by bicycle on the side road, yeah, the trottoir. And they go by train sometimes. So not too many people in Singapore have cars like in Indonesia. So Indonesia is very rich. And there are not many motorcycles in Singapore. When I was in Singapore, I was on the bus, I saw only 2 motorcycles. And that's a big motorcycle. Okay, you are right. Many foreign people who come to Indonesia, they always surprised to see, wow, Jakarta is like this. Maybe I want to die here because of the bajai, everything. So it's a culture differences. Thank you, Ibu Retno. Next, please. Good. I like that you are speaking based on your experience you see or experience you have. Thank you. Next, please, about culture.
Miss.
Yes.
Yes, I have ever read that there is a different culture between America and Indonesia.
Okay.
American take longer time to cook their dinner.
Yes.
They can spend 1 to 2 hours to cook dinner. But we in Indonesia spend longer time to cook our lunch.
Mhm.
So for dinner, we just warm our food.
Oh,
That's
okay.
the difference, okay? And another one that I have ever read that American has got what? Kind of food like they eat just spaghetti, just eat meat, not with rice. But in Indonesia, we used to eat rice all the time in the morning for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, always rice. And we mix with other food like meat, like chicken, like other food. That's the difference, I think.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think so. Okay. That's about some meals, yeah. And we Indonesian eat 3 times a day, and we always eat rice all the time. And talking about food, I remember when you visit American friend's house, not only American, I think European people, when you come to their house, they will offer something only once, never twice. So once you say no, it means no. Once you say yes, it means yes. Remember, when you have a friend from foreign people, yes, it means yes. No, it means no. Some foreign people sometimes ask me, why Indonesian people sometimes yes means no, no means yes. Yeah, so now you have to know that Indonesian people is different with them. When they say yes, it means yes. When they say no, it means no. Yeah, what do you think? Indonesian people sometimes yes means no, no means yes, right?
Yes, yes, sometimes basa-basi.
Yeah. What about you? Do you say yes means yes, or do you say no means no? Or
I say up to you, Miss.
Oh, up to you. Yeah. For me, I am following. When I'm with Indonesian, sometimes yes means no, no means yes. But when I'm with foreign people, when I'm with foreign people, I always say yes, it means yes, no, it means no. Because I have my experience. Once, when I didn't know about culture, I visited my friends from London. When I came to her house, it was raining outside and he was making some coffee. He was boiling water and then he offered me something. Do you want to drink? I'm making some coffee. I said, no, thank you, with my Japanese culture. No, thank you. You know what? Until I went home for about 1 hour, he gave me coffee and he was making a cup of coffee.
Because you are shy.
Because I said no at the beginning. So, Western people, no, it means no. Yes, it means yes. Because I said no until I went home, he made coffee for himself.
He never make you a coffee.
Yeah, but I'm Indonesian. When my student came to my house, I know that they're very thirsty and I asked them, do you want to drink? All my students said, no, miss, no, no. Everybody say no, but I'm not Western people. I put my Coca-Cola, Fanta, teh bottle on my table.
And they drink it.
Habis everything. Yeah. At the beginning they say no, but
Shy cat.
yeah. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, thank you very much. Any other opinion, please?
Maybe my.
Okay.
Riza.
In Indonesia,
Uh-huh.
Usually the driver doesn't care about pedestrian.
Yes.
But in America, a driver is more respect to the pedestrian.
Oh yeah, I think so. Yeah. In here, not really. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Any other opinion, please? Yang lain, please. Any other opinion?
Can I
Yes.
again?
Okay.
It's about my experience when I visit the Japanese school. Okay, the Japanese students usually clean up their stuff after eating, like washing the plate at the cafeteria at school. But in Indonesian students just leaving all the at the table and let the housekeeper clean up. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
it's clear.
clear, you know.
Yeah, it's clear. Okay. Next. Kalau belum ada, terjemahkan lagi kalimat saya. Listen again. Orang Jepang biasanya datang tepat waktu untuk sebuah janji, tapi orang Indonesia kadang-kadang terlambat untuk sebuah janji. Translate please. Ya ini nyata ya. Ini nyata. Coba. Orang Jepang.
Japanese always come on time, while Indonesian people sometimes come late.
Yes, sometimes. Not always, but sometimes. But Japanese people, all the time, in all event, they come in time.
On time.
Not only on time, but in time, before the time. They come in time. Okay?
In time.
Thank you very much. Any other opinion, please? Share your opinion. Ayo, yang belum, silakan. Yang belum. Share
Maybe
something.
it's about in Indonesian people get used to us about ages, but Western didn't get used to us about ages.
Yes, impolite.
Impolite. It's impolite for them. Even about the marriages, they will not answer it.
Yeah. So when you are with Western people that you are not very close, don't ask about how old are you? Are you married? Where are you going? Padahal di kita mau kemana Bu? Itu adalah
okay.
for small talk, basa-basi. We pay attention. But with Western people, when you ask them, hey, where are you going? Mind your own business. Yeah. That is.
Want to know aja ya?
Yeah.
Want to know.
They don't like to ask about that's too personal questions. Yeah, too personal questions. Thank you. Next. Ayo, yang belum, please.
Me.
Yes. Okay, please.
I'm sorry, I'm never go to America, but I know from
Google.
watch movie.
Okay, by watching. Okay.
Okay, I
Please,
think
by watching movie.
school in Indonesia, the students wear uniform. In America, students do not wear uniform.
Yes, I agree. Yeah.
That's all. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. We wear uniform, but they don't. Even
Yes.
they can wear t-shirt. Sometimes they wear short. No problem.
Miss Asti, but not all of the school at Indonesia, because there are a sekolah alam.
Oh yeah.
Do not wear the uniform too, like
yeah.
my son.
Oh yeah. Oh, I see. That's new information. Yeah, that's new information. So your son is studying there. No uniform at all. Sekolah alam. So they must be in nature. Yeah.
Yeah.
But how about now during the COVID-19?
No, my son already graduated a few years ago, but I see that they do the home visit because the student is not big class.
All right.
Not too much.
Not too many
they do the home visit.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Miss, I try, Miss.
Yes. Okay, please.
Miss Nining.
Yeah.
Bu Nining. I think in Indonesia, call their parents with ma or dad or bunda or ibu or the other. But in America, I think they call his parents you. I think.
Yes.
That is?
Yes. Correct.
Yes.
I was surprised at the time. I was shocked. There was a little child, maybe 5 years old, and he calls her daddy by his name. Hi, Daniel, come here. Can you help me? Mention his name only. Yeah. So what do you think? If your son mentioned
the
husband's name and no, yeah? They don't say Bapa or Ibu. They don't say that one. And also, when we are with Western people, they just mention the name. There is no special words like Mbak, Mas, Papa. No, they just mention the name without any addressing something polite. So when you're with Western people, don't be surprised.
Sakit hati.
Yeah, when somebody calls just your name, no problem, because it's their culture. Yeah, it's their culture. Thank you, Bu Nining.
Yeah, welcome.
Yes. Any other more opinion, please?
I want to try, Miss.
Okay, come on.
Indonesian people usually more easy forget to sim to drive motorcycle, maybe car. But in Makkah people, more hard to get to sim on Makkah.
Okay. SIM in English is called driving license.
Driving license.
Driving license Mayor A. Driving license Mayor C. It is easier. Ya, bukan more easy, tapi in Indonesia, it is easier to have a driving license. But in Makkah, it is more difficult, or even it's much more difficult, because they have to do a driving test. But in Indonesia, without driving test, they just pay maybe, and they can get a license. Yeah,
Yes,
they don't
pay.
have a driving test to go there to Kalideres to pass the test. No, they just ask people and finish. Yeah, but that's the difference about regulation. Sometimes the regulation is not strict. Yeah, on the road when we are on the line or we are on the traffic light, we do something wrong and the police come. Sometimes the police just say, okay, go, as long as we have money. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Any other more opinion, please?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Hi.
Yes. Budwi. Yeah.
I think Indonesian people is friendly, always helping to each other, not selfish. But I think the other country not like that, because selfish maybe.
Yes, I do
Indonesia, yeah, Indonesia like buyuk means I think like gathering.
Yes.
Indonesia a lot have community club and organization like that.
Yes. In our Western people eyes, Indonesian people are very friendly. It's easy for us to smile. But when you are in other countries, not too many people are smiling. We Indonesia have a smiling face. We smile to everyone every day, but they don't. They have a very serious face. So we are happy because many foreign people think that Indonesian people are very friendly.
Yes, and I'm proud to be Indonesian people.
Oh yeah, I am proud to be Indonesian people too. And I'm proud of it. We have so many culture. We have so many culture. Thank you. Next please. Yang belum nih, siapa yang belum? Oh, bapak-bapaknya belum nih sama sekali nih. Oke.
I try, Miss.
Oh yeah, okay.
Indonesia job vacancy has age requirement, but other countries no age requirement. It depends on their skill.
Okay, I agree. Yes, I do agree with that one. But Indonesia, yeah. How old do we finish working usually? That retire?
60?
60, yeah?
55 right now.
Yeah, 55 right now. Okay. But when I saw in Singapore, I saw old men in restaurant. They clean the restaurant. I saw many old men working in a shop in Singapore. Yeah.
Because they living they are so selfish even with their family. In Indonesia, every old people came to their son or daughter and the family take care of them.
Yes, that's the difference. That's why we are friendly. Yeah, we are friendly. Thank you very much. Next, please, Mr. Ridwan, Mr. Aji.
Mr. Aji has already
Oh,
left
yeah.
because he has to. Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Ridwan, please. Mr. Ridwan, please, come on. Give me your opinion about culture experience or culture shock.
Okay.
Okay.
About our culture or other culture?
Your culture, Indonesian
Maybe
culture.
Indonesian culture. Okay. Maybe. Okay, I try. I hope this is a fact of Indonesian culture.
Yeah.
But I think
Compare.
this is a fact.
Compare with the
Compare, okay.
American culture.
I cannot compare because I I don't know about the culture. Maybe Indonesian culture. Most of them or many of people speak about other people. Maybe that is Indonesian culture.
Gossiping, yeah.
Must speak or must talk about other people.
Yes.
But maybe in other country, maybe didn't people talk about other people again?
Don't care. Yes.
Don't care, yeah.
They
But
don't.
in Indonesian, always talk about other people.
Yes.
Gibah.
Maybe that's, I think, yeah, like
Yeah,
that,
talk
Misalnya.
about other people. Not only we between people,
But no.
but also
Yeah.
netizen, same.
Netizen.
Have sometimes
Netizen is so
Juliet.
yeah.
Juliet.
They're
They're so
very
mean.
cruel. The words are very bad sometimes when they don't.
This is a bad culture, maybe.
Yes, this is bad culture. But this is the
But
It's because we are too friendly to each other, so we talk about others also.
yeah.
Yes.
And
I think that's like that. Okay, thank you, Miss Asti.
yeah, sometimes they pay attention to their idol, and when their idol have some problems with the netizen, then netizen will help their idol by saying something bad words in their comments. Yeah, that's Indonesian.
Like they are the family.
Yeah, thank you. Any other more opinion, please?
Indonesian has THR. Other countries know.
Yeah.
What is THR in
That's a
English?
good culture.
Yeah. Okay, the 13th salary, yeah, or we can say the bonus. That's a good culture every Lebaran, yeah.
Because we have to visit pulang kampung.
Yeah, we have a culture called
Mudik.
pulang kampung.
Another country didn't do that.
Yeah, pulang kampung in English is going hometown.
Going hometown.
Hometown, yeah, but they don't have any.
Hometown.
Yeah.
Going to hometown.
And also when we go hometown, we become very rich people because we give money to everybody in the kampung, right? That's also Western people shop. Why you give money to everyone? You are not ATM. You are not ATM. But yeah, this is our culture. Every year we give them maybe money, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000 for them to make them happy. And this is another culture that all people in our hometown think that we who live in Jakarta are very rich.
Yeah.
But actually, no. Sometimes.
And the thing is, our is success in.
They think.
Like show off means.
Yeah, they think like that.
So up.
But actually,
just say amin.
Yeah.
Ya Allah.
Saya amin.
Berkah, cari berkah.
Betul
Cari
Indonesian
berkah,
tuh oleh-oleh.
Yeah.
Oleh-oleh. Naik bus.
Oleh-oleh.
But after going hometown is we can eat tahu or tempe.
And oleh-oleh.
Instant noodles.
Oleh-oleh apa?
Oleh-oleh or souvenirs is also one of our culture. Western people,
Iya.
they don't have any oleh-oleh. But when we go everywhere, people always ask for oleh-oleh. You go to
Jangan lupa oleh-olehnya ya.
Yes.
Get oleh-oleh. You go to Singapore, oleh-oleh. And Western people, no, they don't have any culture of oleh-oleh. When they want to give, give. When they don't want to give, no. Yeah. And our Indonesian people always buy some oleh-oleh and
Good neighbor,
Yeah.
family.
Neighbors, family, friends in the office.
Friends.
Yeah, that's our culture, but Western people don't. Okay.
Just only
Hey,
special
Miss.
people.
I
Yeah.
would like to share, Miss
Okay,
Asti.
please share something. Come on.
Okay, I once attended a training with a trainer from England, and he gave his opinion about us, about Indonesian. He said that Indonesian are more likely more afraid to be different from others. Like when we are giving opinions and then we are different from others, Indonesian feel like insecure about that. For Western people, it's okay to be different as long it's your own opinion. That will be okay.
Yeah.
I think that's what I get from the trainer.
You are right. What we call it, they are open. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay for them to say everything free, but sometimes we feel insecure. I know that we feel insecure because of maybe something will happen to us. Yeah, but that's about freedom. Also in lifestyle, not only in giving opinion, also in lifestyle, Western people are really free. It's okay for teenagers live alone. It's okay for them to live together without marriage. That's the Western lifestyle that we don't need to follow. But that's again, that's about the different, yeah. That's about the different culture
And religion, yeah.
Yes,
It's because the belief that we do not, we cannot living together without married. It depends on the religion.
Yes, but in Western culture or European people, it's okay for them to do that. In Indonesia, maybe yes, for us who have good religion,
normal.
but we don't know when now this time who are living in apartment, who are living in a big cities, or we don't know that. Yeah.
Yes.
Now the world is changing. The world is changing. Culture is also,
even some of the Asian countries nowadays also have that kind of culture, like Korean, Japanese. They said it's okay to live together, and it's not a good culture.
Okay. Next, I will continue again about culture. Indonesia, we have kebaya. What about Indian? What do they have? We have kebaya. What about Indian? What do they?
India sari.
How what about Japan? What do they
Kimono.
have?
Kimono.
What about Korea? What do they have?
Hanbok.
Korea kan
Hanbok.
ya.
Hanbok. I don't know.
I think
Handuk ya.
Bushipat yang tahu.
Handuk.
Opa-opa.
Handuk.
Miss Asti tahu, Miss Asti.
Yeah, he is the Korean.
Oh ini yang suka
Miss
keliling
Asti
nih.
and Musifa.
Miss Siva.
Many of us
Antara
here.
If you like
Penggemar
Korean,
opa-opa.
then you will know about it. If you like Korean, you know about it. Okay.
Korean.
Thank you. Next. Ayo, siapa yang belum berpendapat nih? Bu Jainab belum? Ya, yang belum silakan.
Bu Neni, Bu Neni.
Bu Neni, please. Bu Jainab, Bu Neni. Bu Lilis belum ya?
Bu Lilis, ya.
Bu Nova belum ya?
Halo.
Oke, please, come on. Bu Jainab boleh, Bu Lilis. Silakan.
Bu Ani, masih banyak, Miss.
Ya. Coba opini satu aja. Kalau nggak bisa bahasa Indonesia, nanti kita akan terjemahnya. Boleh? Atau
Indonesian people is friendly and social, but Korean less friendly and individual.
Oh yeah, thank you. I think so. But I haven't never met Korean people, so I don't know exactly. But Indonesian is friendlier than Korean people. Thank you. Bu Lilis, please. Bu Lilis.
Indonesian have thousand islands, but other countries
Suaranya
is not many.
island.
Betul nggak, Miss?
Ya, ini adalah islands. Indonesia, we have many islands. Yeah, we have many islands. But in other countries, no. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Siapa lagi yang belum nih? Bu,
Indonesian drive on
Miss Barbie
left.
belum? Miss Barbie, please. Come on.
Miss Barbie.
Miss Barbie.
Miss Barbie.
Lasari.
Miss.
Ya.
Rida.
Bu Rida, Bu. Miss.
Rida.
Mr. Yusuf.
Rida.
Siapa dulu nih?
I think in Indonesia,
Yeah.
in Indonesia, the children always shake hand and kiss their parents' hand.
Yes.
In the Western, maybe they just kiss chin, ya?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So that's happening. Yeah. Indonesian people usually kiss like this, but when Western people come to Indonesia to see that, oh, it's so different. Yeah. That make them shocked too. Thank you. Pak Yusuf, please.
Pak Yusuf lagi di pantai.
Mr. Yusuf, lagi tiduran jangan-jangan.
Liburan di pantai.
Di pantai
Dia merem
anginnya sejuk.
dosa.
Di pantai
Puan.
anginnya
Mr.
sejuk.
Yusuf.
Pak Yusuf sepoi-sepoi.
Yeah. Okay. Sepoi-sepoi, please.
Indonesia embon-embon.
Okay.
And check.
Yeah, check. I can hear you.
Oh yes, Indonesia have so many embon-embon, and
Yeah.
that's all maybe.
Okay. And Western people, what do they have?
Medicine.
Yeah.
They have many cheese.
Yeah.
Much cheese.
Yeah, I think so. Empon-empon is called traditional drink. Traditional drink, we have wedang jahe, bajigur,
Kencur.
ya, pokoknya
Kunyit
itu ya.
asam.
It's called
Herbal.
yeah, herbal.
Maybe Indonesia use it for warm their body, then the other country use kind of whiskey or something to warm their body, Miss.
Yes.
Oh no, ada.
Yeah. Okay.
Wine.
That is called traditional
Pepper.
drink. Ya, traditional drink. Coba kalau Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite itu disebut apa?
Soft drink.
Soft drink.
Soft drink.
Soft drink. Lalu kalau coffee, milk, tea itu disebut apa? Hot drink.
Oh, hot
Because
drink.
sometimes we drink coffee in a hot, but now in a coffee sometimes they drink coffee in, with ice cube ya. Okay, thank you. Yang belum siapa lagi nih?
Miss Muti.
Oh sudah, Miss Muti ya. Okay, please. Ayo, Miss Muti please.
I want try.
Yes.
This if Indonesian roam more with cats, if outside there are more dogs.
Bahasa Indonesianya, what is that? Maksudnya?
Di Indonesia itu banyak banget berkeliaran kucing-kucing. Kalau di luar itu kebiasaan banyak yang di jalan-jalan. Kalau kita lagi jalan-jalan itu banyak banget anjing gitu, Miss.
Oke, ya.
Luarnya di negeri mana, Bu?
Korea.
But in India not cat or not dog, but in India cow.
Cow. They're God.
Yeah.
They're God, ya.
Cow is everywhere in India. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Hi, Miss.
Yes.
I
Please.
want to try.
Okay.
Miss
Barbie.
In Makkah usually azan 2 times, azan subuh 2 times, and Indonesia just 1 time. Right?
In Mecca twice, yeah.
Once. Tahajud, Miss. Tahajud.
Oh,
The first call
Before
is
subuh.
tahajud.
Before
No,
subuh.
bukan subuh. Tahajud. It is 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank
At
you.
Bandung the same. At Bandung ada.
Bandung same ya.
Ada.
Twice. Okay. Not all area. Ibu Neni udah belum? Belum ya?
Already? No, not yet.
Belum. Indonesian food special in Idul Fitri itu ketupat sayur, but Pakistan share kurma.
Oh, okay.
Semacam sup.
So how do you know this? Do you have friends from Pakistan?
Yes.
And they told you, yeah? They tell you about that?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay. Right, yeah. Okay, so masih ada lagi yang belum, Bu?
Bu Nova.
Bu Nova.
Bu Nova, ada Bu Ani.
Ani.
Ya.
Anis.
Anis.
Yes,
in Indonesia have traditional dance.
Okay.
And another country, I don't know.
Yeah, there are so many traditional dance. Yeah.
They have to,
Yeah.
but different.
Yeah, different name.
Mitasi, maybe we have 5 minutes left before we finish our training.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. That we have 5 minutes, and then if you have any questions, please give me some questions. Come on. Yeah, but I'm happy everybody speak. Yeah, everybody has already tried to speak, try to give their opinion, and it's already azan in my place.
Yes.
Yeah.
Azan ya?
Yeah, azan.
Yes.
Oke.
Oke.
Ya, azan.
Tutup
Ya.
aja kan. Gimana Bu Salma?
So let me
Tutup aja
finish.
kali
Yeah, finish.
Ya, boleh Bu Yan, silakan Bu Yan.
Okay.
Just close the meeting.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Asi, as a timer, and thank you for the lesson. I think we gain more knowledge today, and thank you, teacher. I hope that we all can apply the new knowledge from Ms. Asi in our class, yeah, with our students. Maybe before we close, Ms. Shifa, when will be the next training?
On October 10th, I think.
On October 10, ya, Ms. Salma.
Yes, inshallah.
Okay, thank you for the information. Okay, let's close by reciting Hamdalah.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.
And doa kafaratul majlis.
Rabbana wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Miss Asi.
Thank you, Miss Asti.